They tell us space is the final frontier, but the real nightmare is hiding right beneath us. Look at this deep-sea footage. For centuries, sailors whispered terrifying legends of colossal sea monsters, krakens and leviathans. What if they weren't just myths? This diver captured something that defies all science. Creatures so massive, they make a blue whale look like a quick snack. Are these prehistoric monsters that survived extinction, or something far worse? Would you ever dare to dive into these dark waters? Drop your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more terrifying mysteries.